Hey there, Touchboards Nation, it's Anthony here. And today we are proud to announce that Touchboards now sells Avocor. That's right, this is an Avocor interactive display, and this is not your average interactive display. It's going to tell you a little bit about why these are so awesome. So first of all, Avocor has a lot of features that differentiate themselves from other interactive displays out there. First being, you're looking at this, it's got a real nice high-end look. It's got durable metal bezels. It's got this nice bar on the bottom with a magnetic spot for your pen. That's included with it, of course. It's got a best-in-class touch system called InGlass. Doesn't get affected by ambient light, and it responds to your finger, the pen, or your palm. It can tell the difference between all three of them. That's pretty cool. All in all, it's a real high-end system, and it definitely shows when you're using it. Now, one of the other main differentiators with Avocor is that they're giving you a premium collaboration solution. This isn't just a digital whiteboard. So right out of the box, whereas most other displays are giving you an Android operating system, they include Windows. That's right, this is the Windows desktop that's built into the display. Now, what does that do for you? Well, if you're in a Windows environment and you get an interactive display that's using Android, nobody's using Android, right? You got to figure out how to get that integrated into your system, and you're most likely going to just get another PC to use with it. With the Avocor, it's a Windows 10 PC. It's going to integrate into your network. Your IT staff can just set it up and use it, no problem. Everyone in the office can walk up and use this. In fact, when we set this up, we hung it on this stand, and within about 30 seconds, we were annotating and drawing and using it the way it's meant to be used. Now, that being said, we've got Windows 10 built in. We can walk up to this, we can annotate, we can choose whatever video conferencing system we want that works in Windows, and we can use it right out of the box. That's awesome. Let me show you a little bit about how this works. So Avocor includes their Avocor Note software. That's their annotation software that's built into it. Moved my hand too much and it didn't click. So this is your basic whiteboarding. Now I can use my finger to draw, or I can use the pen to draw. And then I can use my palm to erase. It's pretty cool. So you don't have to constantly tap icons on your screen and change things. But one of the nice features about that InGlass technology that this uses is it allows you to write really fine. We can set a thin line on our toolbar there, then we can use the pen, and we can actually write really fine and get some good detail work. So, pretty cool, right? You can add pages, you can get them all lined up down here, basically make a little presentation. You can save it, you can share it. It's got the Microsoft Share charm built in here, so you can share your current page and all pages, and it just makes it real easy to get this collaboration out to everybody that you're working with. Now we can get back into Windows, and another really cool feature about having Windows on this Avocor is that you can use Microsoft Office. It comes with Office 365 installed, so we can open up, say, Microsoft Word. So Office 365 has drawing tools built in. There it is, there's that draw tab. So once it's selected, I can draw on my screen using my pen, and then I can scroll up and down using my finger. You can now save this in a Word document. Works the same way in PowerPoint and Excel. And there's a little icon here, it's a hand, like this. You tap on that, now you can draw with your finger. Pretty cool, right? Again, works the same way with Excel, with PowerPoint, all Office 365. So you can go into, just as an example in PowerPoint, let's say you want to highlight something. Again, take your pen, and now I can just highlight across the screen right there. Really useful in Excel too. So Avocor, as I said, higher end solution, focusing on a collaborative environment. Windows built in, use your video conference system, Skype for Business, Blue Jeans, any of those. Just hook up your camera and you're ready to go right out of the box. You don't need a separate PC. but you can use one. Avocor has optional OPS PCs you can install in here, a little more powerful than what's built in. You can connect your external PC. There's connections in the back. And you also have guest connections in the front here. So someone can come into your location, plug in with HDMI and USB, and then control their computer up on this Avocor display. Doesn't get any easier than that. But there's more. So on the side here, Avocor includes many different inputs. So there's actually 4 HDMI inputs, and it's got a video wall mode built in. So you can display 4 HDMI inputs on this screen. You can actually watch 4 different videos all at the same time using the video wall display. On top of all that, excellent warranty. They give you 3 years with 3 years express replacement. And there's extended warranties available for purchase, so you can get up to 5 years of coverage, all for Avocor. So as I said, we're really proud to offer Avocor, and give us a call if you've got any questions. We'll get you a great price on it. You will not regret it. This is a top-notch display. So give us a call here at 866-942-6273.